Imagine a world where a simple invoice between a factory in Shanghai and a retailer in New York settles in seconds, not days or weeks. No paperwork piles. No middlemen skimming fees. Just seamless, secure global trade powered by blockchain. That isn't science fiction. That is the XDC network, and it's happening right now. If you're tired of hearing about hype coins with no real-world impact, you need to stick around. In this deep dive, we are unpacking XDC, the enterprise-grade blockchain that's quietly tokenizing trillions in real-world assets. By the end of this video, you will understand why 2025 could be XDC's breakout year. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is XDC Network? Short for XinFin Digital Contract. It's a hybrid blockchain designed from the ground up for serious business. Think banks, supply chains, and governments, not just meme traders. Launched back in 2019, it's fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. That means it runs Ethereum-style smart contracts, but with turbocharged speed and security built for the real world. Unlike purely public chains like Ethereum that can get clogged and expensive, or private chains that are too rigid for innovation, XDC blends the best of both worlds. It offers open access but with permissioned privacy where it matters. It's built to handle the immense volume of trade finance, an $18 trillion annual market that is desperately crying out for digitization. And with 6 years of a live mainnet under its belt, XDC is no rookie, it's battle-tested. Picture this: tokenizing invoices, bonds, or even entire shipping containers as NFTs on-chain. That is XDC's sweet spot. It's bridging traditional finance and decentralized finance without all the drama. XDC's story starts in 2017, founded by fintech veterans Ritesh Kakad and Atul Kakade. They were frustrated with the massive inefficiencies in global payments and decided to do something about it. Spinning out from XinFin, they aimed to fix trade finance's biggest headaches: the lack of transparency, the constant delays, and the rampant fraud. By 2019, their mainnet went live. Fast forward to 2024, and XDC hit a major milestone with over $300 million in institutional staking, proving real, tangible adoption. Throughout 2025, it's been all about upgrades. The XDC 2.0 rollout brought enhanced scalability and powerful AI integrations. Their weekly ecosystem updates highlight a constant stream of new partnerships in real-world asset tokenization. From hackathons that foster a growing developer community to MetaMask compatibility for easy onboarding, XDC has quietly evolved into a mature, serious player. It isn't chasing the latest NFT craze or metaverse hype. It's focused on solving the boring but vital problems that actually move the world's economy. Now, let's geek out for a minute on the tech that makes XDC tick. At its core is a consensus mechanism called Delegated Proof of Stake, or XDPoS. Here, 108 elected masternodes validate transactions. This is not only incredibly energy efficient, similar to regular proof of stake, but it's also built with enterprise-grade security. Thanks to geo-distributed nodes and strict slashing penalties for any bad actors, a 51% attack is practically impossible. What about speed? It's blazing fast. We are talking 2,000 transactions per second with a 2-second finality. Compare that to Ethereum's 15 to 30 transactions per second, and you see the difference. And gas fees. They're practically non-existent, costing less than 1/10,000th of a dollar per transaction. This is perfect for the kind of micropayments needed in complex supply chains. Because it's EVM compatible, developers can port their decentralized apps from Ethereum over to XDC in a matter of hours, using the same Solidity code they already know. No need to learn a new language or rewrite everything from scratch. XDC's hybrid magic truly shines in its interoperability. It's ISO 20022 compliant, which is the global standard for financial messaging, allowing for seamless bank integration. Bridges connect it to other major chains like Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and it's even ready for central bank digital currencies. Recent upgrades in XDC 2.0 added zero-knowledge proofs for enhanced privacy in sensitive trades, and AI-driven oracles for real-time, accurate asset pricing. In short, it's scalable, secure, and ridiculously practical for enterprises that are understandably cautious about jumping onto fully public chains. And to be clear, XDC isn't just theoretical. It's already deployed and working in the wild. Its killer application? TradeFinex, a $9 trillion market ripe for disruption. Through TradeFinex, a platform built on XDC, small and medium-sized enterprises can tokenize their invoices to get instant liquidity. An exporter in India can upload their documents, Banks can verify everything on-chain, and funds are released in hours, not the usual 30 to 90 days. In the realm of real-world assets, or RWAs, XDC is tokenizing everything from carbon credits to real estate. By the third quarter of 2025, over $500 million in assets were already live on-chain, with major institutional partners like Conta migrating their entire digital trade document process onto XDC. Imagine buying fractional ownership of a warehouse in another country. With XDC, traders can buy shares via smart contracts, settling the deal cross-border in minutes. Other big wins include cross-border payments and remittances using XinFin's hybrid model, and enterprise dApps for things like supply chain tracking for logistics giants. In 2025 alone, XDC's focus on RWAs has attracted banks from Asia to Europe, proving that blockchain isn't just about crypto, it's the new plumbing for global commerce. Okay, let's talk money. The XDC token itself. The total supply is capped at 37.74 billion tokens, and they have all been in circulation since day one. No surprise inflation here. So what's its utility? It's the gas that powers transactions on the network. It's used for staking to secure the network, which can earn you a 5 to 8% APY. And it gives you a voice in governance, allowing you to vote on future upgrades. As of November 2025, XDC is trading around 5.1 cents, up about 20% year to date, with a healthy $57 million in daily trading volume. Some analysts are eyeing a target of 15 to 30 cents by the end of the year, driven by the massive inflows from real-world asset tokenization and persistent rumors of an ETF. Staking has exploded to over $300 million locked, signaling strong confidence from large holders, or whales. The low fees and a token burn mechanism also help keep it deflationary over time. It's a smart design for long-term holders. Behind XDC is a powerhouse team. The founders have over 20 years of experience in fintech, and they're backed by the XDC Foundation. The partnerships are with heavy hitters like SBI Holdings for expanding into Asian trade, and Conta, the digital TradeFinex network, which is now fully migrating to XDC. The community is buzzing, with over 50,000 followers on X and weekly updates on exciting new AI to FI hybrids. Events like AUS CryptoCon are drawing in more and more developers. But a word of caution, always be vigilant for scams. Fake wallets are out there, so make sure you stick to official apps and channels. This isn't a solo act, it's a global collaboration. Looking ahead, XDC's 2025 roadmap is stacked. They're aiming for full central bank digital currency interoperability, using AI for advanced fraud detection in trades, and expanding tokenized real-world assets to over $1 billion. With institutional adoption surging, some experts are predicting a 5 to 10x growth potential. Of course, there are challenges, primarily regulatory hurdles in the traditional finance space. But XDC's compliant by design approach positions it as the safe, intelligent bet for institutions. If even just 10% of the trade finance market digitizes, XDC is poised for a massive win. The XDC network isn't flashy. It's foundational. In a sea of market volatility, it's the blockchain that is building solid bridges to the real economy. If you're in crypto for the long-term impact and not just the short-term pumps, XDC is a project you need to have on your radar. Head over to their official website to learn more. Consider staking some XDC to support the network. And join the community to stay informed. What's your take on all this? Are you bullish on real-world assets? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Trade smart and stay decentralized.